We fall, we rise, we fall, but we will rise again. I said we will rise.
It's been a while since I do a vlog. So guys, today I am going to Legend in concert. So yes guys, I'm going to Legend in concert. So I want to stay tuned. Yes guys, stay tuned for the full video. If you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe. Not like that. It's a little change a look guys. This is not really my kind of thing, but I try to switch it up a little. So yes guys, if you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about this channel. Yes guys, so I am going to Legend in concert. It's going to have Tanya Stevens. I'm actually late, so I just hope say she not perform yet, because them say performance time 5 o'clock, but I know when these people say 5 is at 6, 7. You understand? I never did plan to go to stand up because the weather kind of cold too long. You understand? So stay tuned. Stay tuned and remember to subscribe. Okay? So people, it's so dark out here. It's so dark. You know? People are not so fierce. Guys, we have a part way out the stuff. I rode as a Sunset Cape. The first year it come out Atlanta. So people So yes guys, as you can see, we have on stage Ray Goodman and Brown. Yes people, the vibes was just right. I had fun. Yes guys, I hope you are enjoying my video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you are new. Share my videos on all social media platforms. And guys, please don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Corey_Goodas. Yes, that's Corey_Goodas_.
In New York, and I know my New Yorkers are in the house tonight. Yes, and if you flew in from New York, big up. If you moved to Atlanta and you're from New York, big up yourself. All right, my Queens people, let me hear you. Brooklyn, Bronx, Long Island, Staten Island, big up. Thank you guys. I'm telling you, this is a surprise. It is an honor for me to be here tonight, to be introduced by none other than the legendary Tommy Cohen. Boy, I'm a feel good mate swell.
Bless indeed.
And
you ready to dance?
I hear you asking about the New York people. Anybody from Jamaica here?
Ready to go?
When is some
thank you so much. Look at the track.
Think we make a girl cheat. Have you ever asked her if she like how you do it? You better start that before you start kiss your teeth, cause you not ready for this yet, boy. Have you ever wonder when make a girl come? A woman supposed to satisfy before you say you're done. Blow out. Hey, we can go and stick it now.
Take it down, take the mic a little bit down, have a mouth big and the mic loud. That's a terrible combination. You can't see internet a sell line, me not come and all kinds of things. I'm a vex. But I can't fight them for the internet. Turn up in front of me in the real life. Sure, but the man not care. When the man said Tanya Stevens come, she a come. If
him say me I come with me in here and I go. Get up on the flight. Give me the next track. When I'm a baby, them didn't know that before. Really and truly, you know the man you can go lose it. I want my power, my say no. So boy can't have good time. I know the man on the right side. Pull on the bed from me, they want hide. Meet the girl but I slip. I want to say, hey, tell your friend them you wicked and brutal. I know you end up in a hospital. Talk about too much, girl, you skin. You never stop till you right out your win. I know you are gonna that traffic pin. You should have heard when me and tell you fit till you feel hungry. Keep head on your land one big red side. Pull on your head from me, you can't hide. Hit the girl with all the slip, yeah. Me tell you you should never mess with this silly. Cause everything cross the border, them kill it. But stop watching. Well, that's a showstopper. You hear me now, man? All in you yourself. You know the chap.
I don't get it.
I may enjoy myself way too.
So you mean for tell me say you reach this far in the video and you haven't subscribed as yet? What are you waiting for? Click on that like button too. You understand? Please share this video also.
Big up all of it.
Jamaican artist.
You love me? You dream see me? A nightmare that. Watch. It's a nightmare if you dream see me. Run! I'm gonna do nothing normal at night time. Give me the next shot. Now I'm gonna take me for the people. Oh, I said you're ready for the ride. Tell me you're ready for the ride. No, you better walk. Hey, why you been on darling?
Guys, one thing I can say is that you see Jamaican artists, I think they work 10 times harder than the R&B artists. Because the Jamaican artists, them have to sing, them not no music I play in the background. Realize some of the Jamaican artists start to play the music in the background while them perform. But the real reggae artists, them and thing, them come give you a live show. You see how Tanya Stevens was sing and all she got is a rhythm behind her. You wouldn't get this from an American artist, you know. Guys, if I am wrong, comment down below and say me wrong. Them are gonna have the music I play so you don't even know when them a lip sing. You understand? And Tanya Stevens, so she sound just like her tracks them. Big up herself, mama. Yeah, she still go out with herself. We don't know she in her age, so we have to give and take. But the music is still good. You understand? The music is wonderful. You see me, people? She sound the same. We now expect the brawling this and the brawling that and all of that from her. She's so nice though. She's such a nice person. Like, even at one point the mic was giving problem, and you know, for some artists they would have start one the most way, but she did not. You know, she start make a little fun with the crowd and thing, you know. She start make a little fun and thing, guys, with the people them. The vibes was good, but remember, the number one rule is to subscribe if you are new to my channel, okay?
You love me, tell me it's a good song. Put on go through, flick the kitty on you. They claw them whole, you go to love star. Can you feel all of my friend, them a stress. Why pick you when my cute? But all them so sure you know the best one. When I'm in the lane, this one. Look the way you want me. Pandemic to me. You tell me don't go there. Come and look the way. Look the way you want to make this girl stop. Like mama, the camera and a picture. Help me and let go. Oh, I love you long and long. I love you long and long. I love you long. Because now me I get a little bit serious just for half a minute. Every woman inside here, and some already know what I'm talking about. You're going through puberty, you're growing up, and you're getting into yourself, you're getting to and see what's going on with it. This is natural, it's a part of aging, it's a part of growing up, part of maturing. And you experiment a bit. Well, if you're me, then you experiment a lot. But you come out of it with wisdom and experience. And then if you're me, you come out of it with success because that's what you do. But work hard, nothing will stop me in life. Everything will come in front of me is a stepping stone. Because I know some me are going on so anything will stand up in front of me, any level or something for me climb on. So me come out of my thing. Back in the day when nothing had gone for me, you know. When me have a liver spot and not me, you know. But me still have it not me. Well, I don't know, me done experiment for the man them. You have something to say to me? So you can't say it after the show. So all of them people have to wait for him to talk to me. Him one? You don't want him to say something to me?
No.
You don't know why you're. They say they don't want to hear, sir. I mean, no. If they don't want to hear, me don't want to hear. So anyway, we go through puberty and we grow up and you go college or not. You get a job. You do something, you hustle, you move up in a life. And you become whatever you're destined to become. And the boy where you experiment pan, don't want you to forget that. Him still sit down same place, you know. He not moving. You moving. And him sit down there so the whole day tell everybody, oh she, I'm gonna tell you this is my life. Because I go through a period when everyone I do not now say I'm me, I'm my heart. You already have a good boy. Nigga, stop chatting with yourself. Hey, I say it in such a pity. Let go, man. You already have a boy. I may have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
People, when I grow up, I want to be just like Tanya Stephens. You hear what she say? She have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yo, man, in her life. Jesus, my festive body. When you hear Alkaline say festivity, you know how you got it. As Tanya Stephens in the talk. As Tanya Stephens Alkaline in the talk, you know, but he never really tell me out playing. As Tanya Stephens, so yeah, she write the song.
You already have a man. I'm another man in my life. Road boy is a pity. I say it's such a pity.
So guys, now I'm gonna introduce Ghost to you guys. I said, what's going on with another thing, you know? The artists them go on with themselves. Like, oh my god. Them song, you know them song, all of them song with them I sing. I know these songs from I was a child. And it seems like I yesterday. So let's take in the performance. When you love, I'll be there by your side, baby. Hey, people, I feel like I fall in love all over again. I fall in love all over again, you know. I said Ghost one with himself last night. A lot of things. Guys, remember to subscribe to my channel, share this video, tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch. Ooh, Lord Jesus, my name, my husband left me. Don't do that.
Let's hear those voice ladies.
And if you had babies, they will look, would be so beautiful that you don't even know I'm very special.
Come on, ladies.
At last, you keep on walking in and out of my dreams. Hey, when I don't know the song, you hum it. Oh, when I don't know the song, you hum it. You're really not subscribed yet. You're really not subscribed yet. A big concert, you know, legend in concert. A legend in concert.
Come on, ladies.
You know what I'm saying?
ladies. We took that flight to be here tonight for you. I listen to the sound.
I listen to the sound of my window. Wait for gentlemen
To the what?
to bring my baby back again. Time is stronger, not getting any stronger. Lonely night is there in this heart a part of mine. I lie awake, cause I can't take another night lonely. It's been too long, I can't hold on, I'm only living on the next day now. You know, so when I think about it, a beer things goes on with last night. Rub down him belly and I rub up himself and all of them something there. No, sir. Jesus! I said the man come out in them colors too. I said the red and orange look good together. It look like a unity, Jamaica unity. I said the man come out. I'm belly flat too, you know. Jesus Christ! Why goes and goes so?
That's the strength. These walls.
I was supposed to give you all a full vlog, but why? I don't know, it's something about me and vlogging. And when me go out and hear music, I forget so much about vlogging. You understand? But I hope you guys enjoy this video. These little clips. I am home back. I am safe. I am home. I'm tired. Unless I'm beat up and mash it right. Yeah, so big up on yourself. Thank you for supporting my channel. That's the main thing. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
We ball